ये घर में ना अच्छा बकरा या इसको गा अंदर कोई तो तू
See, now here the landowners and farmers, they called Verna police station, and the PI promptly came here, okay, to show them what is the how the land is being encroached. आमची tributary कितकोची bond कोता ती, and when the people started raising the voices, why? People started raising the voices for the simple reason that with police protection, the RVNL is executing the work, which is gross violation of every law in the land. Issue किती हा तो आता ती ते आता आमची मुझे to my left एक tributary हा to the Velsao, major tributary to the Velsao, where there is tidal movements. They इंगा सुक्ती बोत्ती जाता, tidal movements जाता. So what I'm saying is, ये ते RVNL ते आता बारीकशी पाईप घालून आनी आमचो व्हडलो हें आहा हिंगा फाटल्यान आमच्या सांकोड म्हणटाय ताका आमी कोंकणी भाशेन व्हडलो सांकोड मेजर वन तो तेणें ते पुरो ती पायप घालून तें उदक खाता ते आर पार करपाक वता. Every time such efforts are done, even in some areas they were done in Goa, it is failure because you cannot control the tidal movements by installing small diameter pipes. एक फारोज आहा तें उदक हें आख्खें भोंवता. There is about 3 to 4 meters उदक जाता हिंगा on the land mass itself. I'm not talking of the tributary. हें उदक तें कितको कंट्रोल करतले. हें आतां लोकांचे टायम येयला, शेत रोवपाचो टायम येयला हिंगा आतां. म्हजे फाटल्यान शेत कोसताय कोसलो आहाय. थोड्या 2 म्हयन्या ती शेत न्यू हें घातली आमची किलोपा घातलें, ताम घातलें. हांव कितें म्हणटा हें तुमी आतां हें कितें करूंक सुटल्या.
Issue and the drain way which is there for the water to be drained is being blocked over here. So you can understand if it is blocked, the water will be in the houses. Second thing, we have been fighting for this. They have to show us the plans, what they are doing. Nothing is told to us. They just barge in, they do the work as and when they want. They don't even consult the landlords, nothing. Is it right? That is a big question mark. I phoned the RVNL the other day and I told them I personally want to come with the villagers and see the plans, what plans they are having. So when I spoke to one of them, he is telling me you don't get this one, that one, all the knowledgeable people who knows about this project. He doesn't want them over there. Is it right? The common people, they are not aware of certain things, the rules, the way it should work. So you cannot have a project here where you are not taking into consideration the local people.
I think issue ha kite हे तोरी हिंगा बंद केलें जाल्यार आख्खी शेतां हिंगा बुडोवन शेत रोवपा मेळपा ना आनी आतां रोयलो आहा ती लिवपा मेळपा ना. हे सगळे लोकांक आनी आख्खें हिंग फ्लोटेड जातलें हिंगा भोंवतलें उदक कित्याक आतां हे 15 दिसांनी ती ओपन कोत्ताय आनी ती रिवलांटां घालताय थिंगा हितून दर्या सुटाय उदक कित्याक हें भोंवता हें सगळें वयलें ओमया साय विहार वेस्ट वॉटर हितून येता आनी हें सारकें फ्लोटेड जाता. पावसाळ्याक तें जाता आनी वेस्ट वॉटर हितूंतल्यान सगळें फ्लोटेड जाता आनी तेका लागून आमी गेले हें लोकांक हिंगा गांव बुडना जावपाक हें सांगपाक पूण पुलीस तांकां जबरदस्तीन काम करूं लायता. तुगे लिगल हाड लिगल तुगे हें हाड सगळें लिगल हाडल्यार तो थिंगा हिंगा कांसाल्या पयर फाटी लिगल डॉक्युमेंट हाडल्यार तेणें फोर्सान काम करूं लायलें.